Excellent companion, sir. I present to you for installation Companion Tandok, who has been appointed captain of the host for this chapter for the ensuing capitular year.
Companion Sal, the office with which you are entrusted is of high importance and demands your most zealous consideration. The preservation of the most essential traits of our ancient customs, usages, and landmarks is within your providence. And it is necessary that the part assigned to you in the practice of our rites and ceremonies should be perfectly understood and correctly administered. You will be careful that the utmost order and decorum be observed on all occasions. You will ever be attentive to the commands of your chief and near at hand to see them duly executed. I invest you with the jewel of your office. And I know that you will give to your duties all that study and attention which their importance demands. You will now be conducted to your station.